Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam 4th August 2025 Monday Adi Masam 19th Vishwasunama Samvalsaram Dakshinayanam Grishmardo Adi Masam, that is Kadaga Masam, Shukla Paksham Tithi up to 11:31 am Dashami, then Ekadashi. Monday, that is Somavasaram, Nakshatram up to 9:48 am Anusham Nakshatram, then Ketai Nakshatram. Today's Rahuvalam 7:30 to 9 am, then Yamakandam comes 10:30 to 12 noon. Guliyagalam 1:30 to 3 pm. Today's good time 9 to 10:30 am, then 5 to 6:30 pm. Sunrise 6:05, Chandrashtam for Mesha Rashi, Shulam East.